Hello students, this is your English class. Okay, and today we are going to learn long sound of E and long sound of O. Okay, phonic sound of E and phonic sound of O. Now, in our previous class, we have learned the phonic sound of A, E, I, O, U, right? Now, in this class, we will learn that sound. In previous class, we have learned the short words, okay? Short words with short sound, okay? Short word and short sounds we have learned in the previous class. Now in this class we will learn long sound, okay? Long sound of E and long sound of O, okay? So our today's topic is long sound of E and long sound of O. Now let's begin our today's class. Let's start with long sound of E. Okay, long sound of E. Now, these are the words of long sound of E. Okay. Now, long sound means that letter E. If we read the short sound, it will be like E is very short. When we say the sound is very short, like BET, bat. Okay, it's very. But here what we will do, we will read this word with long way. Okay, the sound will be long. That's why this is long sound. Like example, like WEEP, weep. WEEP, weep. HEEL, heel. HEEL, heel. Okay. BEEB, BEEB. You can hear, right? The sound of E is long, right? When I say heel, weep, bee, zip, sip, sweet, wheel, tree, sleep, reel, still, tree. When we pronounce E sound, when we say the E, the sound of E is long, right? So now let's read with me the sound of E, okay? The long sound of E vowels, okay? Now let's read with me. WEEP, weep. HEEL, heel. BEEB, JEEP, jeep. JEEP, jeep. Ship, SHEEP, sheep. Sweet, SWEET, sweet. SWEET, sweet. Wheel, WHEEL, wheel. WHEEL, wheel. Next is three. THREE, three. T H R double E, three. Now students, you can notice that every word have double E, right? Every word is with double E sound. That's why this is long. When we read this sound, the sound is long E sound, right? Next is S L double E P, sleep. S L double E P, sleep. Next is R double E L, reel. R double E L, reel. Next is still. S T double E L, steel. S T double E L, steel. And the last is tree. T R double E, tree. T R double E, tree. Okay. Long sound of E. Long sound of letter E. Now let's read the words with double E P, ip, double E E, double E L, eel, double E T, eat, and double E D, eat. Okay. We are going to read the word with these words. Okay. Double E P, ip. Now with this ip, so many words we can write. Okay, we can read, we can write with double E P. Now let's see what are the words with double E P. First word is W, ip, whip. W, ip. Double E P is ip. Okay, double E P, ip. So W, ip is whip. Okay, W double E P, whip. Next is J, ip, jip. J, ip, jip. J double E P, zip. J double E P, zip. Okay. Next is K, ip, kip. K, ip, keep. Double E P, ip. So K double E P, keep. Okay. Next is D, ip, deep. D, ip, deep. Okay. D double E P, deep. D double E P, deep. Next is S H, ip, sheep. S H, ip, sheep. Okay. S H double E P, sheep. Now next is S L double E P, sleep. S L, ip, sleep. S L double E P, sleep. Okay. So these are the words with double E P, E. Okay. Double E P, ip, and the words are weep, zip, keep, deep, sheep, sleep. Okay. Now let's see the next is double E, E. Now let's read the word with double E. And the first word is B double E, B. B double E, B. Next is S double E C. S double E C. Next is F R double E free. F R double E free. Next is T H R double E three. T H R double E three. T R double E tree. T R double E tree. Next is G L double E glee. G L double E glee. Okay. So these are the words with double E. E. Okay. Double E. E. And the words are B, C, free, tree, tree, glee. Okay. These are the words with double E. Now next is double E L. Eel. Double E L. Eel. And the words are, first word is peel, peel. Peel, peel. P double E L, peel. Peel, peel. Double E L is eel. Okay, and if we write P, then it will be peel. P double E L, peel. Next is F eel, feel. F eel, feel. F double E L, feel. F double E L, feel. Next is H double E L, heel. H eel, heel. H eel, heel. Next is W H double E L, wheel. W H double E L, wheel. W H eel, wheel. Okay. R double E L, reel. R double E L, reel. R eel, reel. Okay. Next is steel. S T eel, steel. S T eel, steel. S T double E L, steel. Now let's see the next is double E T, eat. Double E T, eat. Now let's read the word with double T, eat. Double E T, eat. And the first word is M double E T, meat. M double E T, meat. M eat, meat. Next is B eat, beat. B eat, beat. B double E T, beat. Next is F eat, feet. F eat, feet. F double E T, feet. Next is S W eat, sweet. S W eat, sweet. S W double E T, sweet. Okay. Next is T W eat, tweet. T W eat, tweet. T W double E T, tweet. Okay. And the next is G R eat, greet. G R eat, greet. G R double E T, greet. Okay. Now let's read the words with double E D eat. Double E D eat. And the first word is D double E D deed. D eat deed. D eat deed. Next is F double E D feed. F eat feed. F eat feed. Okay. Next is H double E D heed. H eat heed. H eat heed. Okay. Next is N eat need. N double E D need. N eat need. Okay. Next is S double E D seed. S eat seed. S eat seed. And the last is W double E D weed. W double E D weed. W eat weed. Okay. So these are the words of long sound E. Okay. Now let's read once more double E words. Okay. Double E words with double E sound. And double E sound is long sound of E, right? When we read this word, the sound of E is long, right? Like E, B, F, C, free, tree, tree, deep, jeep, peep. Okay, like this. The sound of E is long. Okay. Now let's revise double E words. The words with double E sounds. Okay. First word is B double E B. Next is F double E fee. Next is S double E C. F R double E free. T R double E tree. T R double E tree. T H R double E tree. Next is D double E P deep. J double E P jeep. P double E P peep. F L double E flea. G L double E glee. Okay. Next is D double E P deep. K double E P keep. S double E P sleep. S H double E P sheep. F double E T feet. M double E T meat. G R double E T greet. S T R double E T street. P double E K peak. W double E K week. S double E K seek. G double R E N green. S C R double E N screen. Q U double E N queen. Okay, so these are the words with double E sound. Okay, long sound of E. Okay, so these all words are in your book. So students, please try to read this all words. Okay, this long sounds of word from your books. Okay, these all words are in your book. Okay. Long sound of letter O. Long sound of letter O. Now after E, the next is O. Now here what we are going to go? We are going to read the words with long sound of O. And here every word has long sound of O, like boot, groom, stool, room, broom, pool, cool, moon, tool, school, spoon and wool. Okay, so when we read these words, so the sound of these words is O. The sound of O is long. We can only hear the sound of O, and the other letters are silent. Okay, like boot, boot. Like if we say, if the sound of O is short, then if we say this boot, it will not boot, it will be bought, because the sound is short. But here these are the long sound, so that's why when we read this word, the sound of O is long. Okay, now let's read the words with O sound. Okay, long O sound. First word is B-O-O-T, boot. B-O-O-T, boot. Now here every word has double O sound. Okay, double O sound. Next is G-R-O-O-M, groom. G-R-O-O-M, groom. S-T-O-O-L, stool. S-T-O-O-L, stool. Next is R-O-O-M, room. R-O-O-M, room. P-O-O-L, pool. P-O-O-L, pool. C-O-O-L, cool. C-O-O-L, cool. B-R-O-O-M, broom. T-O-O-L, tool. T-O-O-L, tool. M-O-O-N, moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Next is S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Next is S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. And the last is W-O-O-L, wool. Okay, W-O-O-L, wool. Long vowel sounds. Okay, these are the double O sounds. Double O, long vowel sounds. Yes, you can see that every word has double O, right? Why? Because we are learning the long sounds, okay? And these are the long sounds of O. Let's read the words. First word is C-O-O-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Next is Z-O-O-M, zoom. C-O-O-L, cool. F-O-O-D, food. C-O-O-P, cook. S-O-O-N, soon. F-O-O-L, fool. F-O-O-D, food. B-O-O-K, book. L-O-O-M, loom. F-O-O-L, fool. G-O-O-D, good. L-O-O-P, loop. M-O-O-N, moon. P-O-O-L, pool. H-O-O-D, hood. Okay. Next is L-O-O-K, look. T-O-O-K, took. H-O-O-K, hook. Okay. D-O-O-M, doom. R-O-O-M, room. B-O-O-M, boom. Okay. These are the words with double O sounds, like P-O-O-L, pull. T-O-O-L, tool. P-O-O-L, pool. M-O-O-D, mood. W-O-O-D, wood. H-O-O-D, hood. R-O-O-T, root. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. B-O-O-T, booth. N-O-O-N, noon. G-O-O-N, goon. T-O-O-N, tune. M-O-O-N, moon. Z-O-O-N, zoom. R-O-O-T, root. B-O-O-T, boot. R-O-O-M, room. Okay. Now these are the words with double O long sounds. Okay. Long sound of O. Long sound of vowel O. Let's read the words with long O sound. Okay. And the first word is R-O-O-F, roof. B-O-O-T, boot. P-O-O-L, pool. F-O-O-T, foot. T-O-O-L-S, tools. H-O-O-K, hook. W-O-O-L, wool. B-O-O-K, book. M-O-O-N, moon. F-O-O-D, food. C-O-O-K, cook. SOOMTHIE, smoothie. BABON, baboon. And WOOD, wood. Okay. Roof, boot, pool, foot, tools, hook, wool, book, moon, food, cook, smoothie, baboon and wood. These are the words with long sound of O. Okay. Long sound of O. Long sound of vowel O. Now here let's read the words with double OL, wool. Double OL, wool. Double ON, on. Double OM, and double OT, oat. Okay. Now the first is double OL, wool. Now let's read the word with double OL. And the first word is POOL, pool. P-ul, pool. P-ul, pool. Okay. FOOL, fool. F-ul, fool. F-ul, fool. Next is COOL, cool. K-ul, cool. K-ul, cool. STOOL, stool. STOOL, stool. STOOL, stool. Next is TOOL, tool. TOOL, tool. And the last is WOOL, wool. WOOL, wool. WOOL, wool. Okay. So these are the words with double OL. Okay. And the words are pool, fool, cool, stool, tool and wool. Okay. Now next is, let's read the word with double ON, un. Okay. Double ON, un. And the first word is SPOON, spoon. SPOON, spoon. Next is MOON, moon. Moon. Next is SOON, soon. SOON, soon. Next is BOON, boon. BOON, boon. SALLOON, saloon. SALLOON, saloon. And the last is BABOON, baboon. Okay. BABOON, baboon. So these are the words with double ON, un. Okay. And the words are spoon, moon, soon, boon, saloon, baboon. Okay. So these are the words with double ON, un. Now let's read the word with double OM, om. And the first word is BOOM, boom. Next is L-O-O-M, loom. L-O-O-M, loom. Next is Z-O-O-M, zoom. Z-O-O-M, zoom. R-O-O-M, room. R-O-O-M, room. Next is B-R-O-O-M, broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. And the last is G-R-O-O-M, groom. G-R-O-O-M, groom. Okay, so these are the words with O-O-M, and the words are boom, loom, zoom, room, broom, and groom. Okay, now next is O-O-T, oot. Okay, O-O-T, oot. And the first word is B-O-O-T, boot. B-O-O-T, boot. Next is R-O-O-T, root. R-O-O-T, root. S-C-O-O-T, scoot. S-C-O-O-T, scoot. S-H-O-O-T, shoot. S-H-O-O-T, shoot. H-O-O-T, hood. H-O-O-T, hood. And the last is M-O-O-T, moot. Okay, so these are the words with O-O-T, oot. O-O-T, oot. And the words are boot, root, scoot, shoot, hoot, and moot. Okay, so we have read the word, the sound of O, the long sound of O. So today we have completed to read the long sound of E words and long sound of O words. Okay, now let's stop here for today. We will read more in the next class with new chapter. Okay, new topic. So please students, read these words from your book. It is in your book. These all words are in your book. So please read in from your book at home. Okay, now let's stop here. Bye.